Greetings, MBA Hope Church. I thank God for giving this opportunity. I thank the pastors of Israel of Chicago for giving this opportunity to sing. And as today we're celebrating Pastor's Appreciation Sunday, uh, I convey my wishes to our beloved Pastor, Pastor Reverend Dr. Sraj Mohan Garu and Reverend Vidya Sraj Garu for all the service that we've been faithfully serving God. So thank God, I praise God for them, and may God use them both richly and as a blessing to many poor in the days to come. I just want to sing one song. I'm going to sing this song in Telugu and Hindi as well. So just praise of God. Say